Hi, my name is Pat Wren, and I'm here to introduce you to a welding product that every welder should have in their toolbox. It was built by fileWAC Welding in a home-based business, and until 2016, the popularity of the product has grown so that we've moved into a factory setting. Well, there are 6 main reasons why fileWAC Welding has become the leader in the industry. The first reason is the unit operates from 2,000 feet between the welder and the welding unit. Second, the fileWAC welding unit has unlimited addressing capability, allowing multiple units to work on site without any interference. Third, fileWAC welding comes with two-way communications, allowing instant feedback from the control unit to the handheld unit. Fourth, the fileWAC weld unit comes with a dial rather than buttons to control the amperage. 5. The fileWAC welding unit comes with a half power button. This allows the welder to instantly reduce the power with the press of one button. 6. The fileWAC welding unit comes with a 2-year replacement warranty. Make sure the welder is powered off. Next, plug the receiver unit cable into the 14-pin remote control connector. Power up the welding unit and check for the red light on the receiver unit. Now press the green button and 3 events should happen. First, a beep and a light on the hand control unit tells you the signal was sent. Second, the green light on the receiver unit will light and the amperage display on the welding unit will show the amperage according to the setting of the dial. Third, a double beep and light on the hand command confirms your signal was received and performed by the receiver unit. Now let's test the dial by turning it up and down and watching the amperage display on the welder. Next, we'll check the half power. By pressing the black button, the amperage should be cut in half. Hitting the green button returns you to the original power setting on the dial. Thank you for watching our brief video. If you'd like to learn more information about fileWAC welding, you can reach us at www.fileWACwelding.com.